I love being an engineer at Houzz because I get to work on problems that both affect me as well as millions of other homeowners. Everything from, I don't know how I should place this chair in my room, to, okay, I just want to completely redo everything. The first place you think of is Houzz.
We are helping people to build their dream home.
Inspiration and ideas, we have professionals, and we have e-commerce. All of these could be separate companies by themselves.
People can come here, and how many opportunities do you have, not just to create a product for consumers that they truly love and enjoy using, but also do it in an industry that was so fragmented with lots of frictions and completely changed the face of the industry globally.
All these different devices and screen sizes and resolutions, the fact that I'm designing it and millions of people are using it, that's a dream come true as a designer.
I joined Houzz nearly 4 years ago, but I still learn new things every single day, because everyone brings different expertise and experiences to every project.
One of the cool projects I'm working on here at Houzz is 3D. I'm fascinated by the fact that we are trying to create renderings and allow people to actually, in real time, visualize how things might look inside your house.
The latest AR technology, AR Core and AR Kit, there are a lot of modern technology that we actually apply to our product.
Being one of the earliest engineers at Houzz, I've gotten the opportunity to see the company grow. At the same time, we're able to keep that family feel, and I love that because at any given project, I'm only working with 4 or 5 different people.
And a lot of face-to-face communication.
You have very easy access to those you need to get feedback from, and so we tend to launch things very quickly.
And then you can even define new things that you think that's right. You can shape the culture, you can shape the product.
If you have the data to back something up, go ahead and do it. Don't be afraid of doing it. And yeah, just run it as an A/B test. If it works, great, we turn it on 100%. If it doesn't work, we move on to the next thing.
Seeing Houzz go from the little code project that you've done on nights and weekends to something that millions of people use is a very humbling experience. You see how much you didn't know ahead of time, and you discover how many things that people do love, right, that you wouldn't have believed. And so when we started hiring engineers and designers to Houzz, I wanted them to feel like they're empowered to do things from beginning to end.
You get to make product decisions, you get to think about how the thing gets built, and then you actually get to build it as well. You even get to think about how we communicate this to the users.
From the beginning, it was very important to us to bring people that it will be truly fun for us to work with, but also inspiring. And to do that, you need to bring excellent people that are very, very good at what they do, and they have the right drive, but also the ability to check their egos at the door and come here and work as a team.
We have such amazing and talented people here that even if on your first day, you don't know quite what it is you want to be working on, you just hang out and talk to some people, and they'll actually tell you, like, hey, actually, that's a pretty cool idea. You should just try pursuing that.
Everything here is technology driven. I mean, the photos that you're seeing, them displaying correctly on different devices, the sort of recommendations that you get, the emails that you get, which are tailored to your personal taste, all these professionals, all these products, giving you the right discount at the right time, all these things are powered by technology. You constantly need to think about how could this be better? How could this be faster?
So the culture is a culture of innovation and building together. It's something really special. So we never removed ourselves alone from the product and from the business, both of us on both sides. We are part of the team.
Honestly, it doesn't even feel like work. It feels like I'm going to college again and I'm working, on an assignment with a bunch of friends, basically. That's what it feels like.
We're in downtown Palo Alto, which is fantastic. It's great to be able to grab a coffee with someone anytime, hang out with kind of other coworkers. We can be talking about things in terms of related to Houzz or even just hanging out.
So Palo Alto is where it's all started, with the local community here. So it's very special for us. It's the center of everything in the valley. They can use the Caltrain. Every time that we grew a bit more, we had to take a bigger office. This time we have the whole building, so it's easier.
I always wanted to work at a company that I'm passionate about, that I love the product, and Houzz is that company.